Hi, it's Matthew Hote with Realty One Group in Scottsdale, Arizona. Today is April 14th, 2020. It's now been 30 days since the White House issued a declaration of national emergency, and it's been 2 weeks since Arizona issued the stay-at-home mandate. For many people, things have become very real. We're bombarded every day by the media with fear and uncertainty and being urged to stay at home. Well, a lot of buyers are heeding this advice and they're staying at home. So we're seeing quite a decline in buyer activity. So let's take a look at what this is doing to the real estate market here in Phoenix. One of the metrics we're most interested in right now is the Crawford Market Index. This measures the balance between supply and demand and is a good predictor of where prices will be headed in the near future. You can think of the Crawford Market Index as a thermometer that measures how hot or how cool market activity is. 100 is a balanced or normal market, and the higher the number is over 100, the more we expect prices to keep rising. This is where we've been for the past few years. So what's driving this? We started the year with 25% fewer active listings than we did the year before, and this followed year after year of declining inventory. So we were already in an extremely hot market where there were a lot of buyers going after a small number of available homes. Now, in the last 2 weeks, we saw a very substantial drop in buyer activity, which isn't surprising when much of the country is locked in their homes. This pushed down the Crawford Market Index by almost 50 points, and we're at about 192 right now. But there are two things to keep in mind here. First, we are still in a very hot market with an index number that's well above where we were at this time last year and way over the balanced market number of 100. Second, the index is not the stock market, and your house value will not react to these changes the way your 401k did. We'll have to see the index drop below about 90 before we expect to see any downward pressure on prices. No, we're not going to make any predictions on what's going to happen or when. That would just be reckless. But what we will do is continue to monitor the key metrics and report it back to you. The general consensus from industry experts is that demand has not gone away. It's just been put on hold for now. Once we're past the worst of this pandemic and the stay-at-home restrictions have been relaxed, we expect the floodgates to open once again. And I'll be keeping you posted along the way. This is Matthew Hote with Realty One Group, bringing you your weekly market update.